Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. VP Records fully endorsing Big Bad Soca. The best of soca on display on Soca Gold 2019, a pulsating mix featuring Caribbean artists representing for the music genre. To share details on the album is VP Records A&R representative Edwin Howell.
Well, Soca Gold Compilation 2019 is a collaboration of different tunes from different parts of the Caribbean, like for instance Trinidad, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, and so forth, Grenada, and so forth. We have two exclusive tracks that we record for VP exclusive, which is Come Inside by Sean Carew and Tony Prescott, My Sweet Sweet Woman. Then we also have on there music from Kes the Band for a track called Savannah Grass. We have Marshall Montana with Brace Up. We have so much different artists on there, 17 artists plus a bonus party mix CD. And with this party mix CD now, you have a party and you don't have a DJ. All you have to do is just put the CD in.
To celebrate the release of Soca Gold 2019, VP Records will host a Soca Gold live event tomorrow at the Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records in Montego Bay.
Yes, we're actually having a live party in Montego Bay at Usain Bolt Tracks and Records. And on this event, we have the Caribbean Soca Queen, Alison Hines, will be performing live alongside James P. out of St. Vincent, Ricky T. out of St. Lucia. We have Tizzy out of Antigua, Tony Prescott out of Trinidad. So it's like we touch in from different countries to make it a global Caribbean village, to say, for the event.
Soca Gold Live, presented by the RJR Gleaner Group, will be streamed live on VP Records' YouTube page and broadcast live on RETV and heard on radio stations globally. Additionally, a Soca Gold Live watch party will be held in New York. The Soca Gold Live event is the third installment in the VP Live series. Popcorn breaking new ground in St. Thomas. Dancehall artist Popcorn and Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently broke ground to construct a Morant Bay urban centre in the parish of St. Thomas. The unruly boss maintains that he is committed to the development of his home parish of St. Thomas, actively collaborating with the government and other stakeholders to complete this massive development. Prime Minister Andrew Holness outlined the government's commitment to improve the functionality and efficiency of doing business so that the people of St. Thomas can experience prosperity. In a post on social media, he shared that St. Thomas is now part of the new wave of development and thanked Popcorn and the people of St. Thomas for having faith in the project. The urban centre will have innovative features including a Justice Square, a passport, citizenship and immigration agency PICA office, and business process outsourcing companies. As Popcorn would say, wah! Now this weekend is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Finals, where selectors and their sounds will compete for a chance to win the cool $1 million and the coveted title. Live performances will be from Bounty Killer and Javelani. And also Sunfest festivities get underway tomorrow. It's the first staging of the Reggae Sunfest Get Social Awards. Watch live coverage of the red carpet event 6 to 7 p.m. on RETV. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.